And then, friends, we need to understand we will never be disappointed or let down by the character of Jesus Christ. We can never be let down by this. He will do everything he said he will do. Our lives are completely safe in his hands. Our lives are completely safe in the hands of Jesus Christ, no matter what comes our way. Christ is the security of our eternity and the source of our abundant life now. No matter what happens in this world, nothing can take you out of the hand of Jesus Christ. And when the moment comes of death, we will be with Jesus Christ forever and ever. Listen to how Mary reflects on the character and the power of this Messiah. As Mary processes everything that she has heard and everything that is happening to her, she sings this beautiful song. We call it her Magnificat. In Luke chapter 1, it goes like this. And Mary said, "My soul magnifies the Lord, and my spirit rejoices in God my Savior, for he has looked on the humble estate of his servant. For behold, from now on, all generations will call me blessed. For he who is mighty has done great things for me, and holy is his name. And his mercy is for those who fear him from generation to generation. He has shown strength with his arm. He has scattered the proud in the thoughts of their hearts. He has brought down the mighty from their thrones and exalted those of humble estate. He has filled the hungry with good things, and the rich he sent away empty. He has helped his servant Israel in remembrance of his mercy as he spoke to our fathers, to Abraham, and to his offspring forever." This is the character of a merciful, righteous, just, holy, loving Jesus Christ. And our hope will never go wrong when it's put in Jesus. What we celebrate through Advent and the coming of Christmas Day is that in Jesus Christ our hope has come.